Hey everyone, want to find the best Google fonts for your projects? In this video, I'll show you how to choose the right fonts step by step. First, open the Google Fonts website and explore the available font collection. You can browse thousands of free fonts for different types of designs. Next, think about your project style. I mean, a website, logo, presentation, or social media design may need a different font style. Use the search and filter options to find fonts by category, such as serif, sans serif, display, handwriting, or monospace. Now preview different fonts with your own text. This helps you see how the font will look in your actual design. Pay attention to important details like readability, font weight, spacing, and available styles. Try comparing a few font options and choose the one that matches your brand or design goal. Also check how the font looks on different screen sizes, especially if you're using it for a website. Finally, download or add the chosen Google font to your project and test the final result. And that's how to find the best Google fonts. With the right font choice, you can make your websites, designs, and documents look more professional and appealing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.